Professor Ortiz, you are editor-in-chief of Clinical Kidney Journal. What's this journal's mission and philosophy?
This journal's mission is mainly education. It aims to translate the main advances in basic and clinical nephrology from a translational point of view to young nephrologists, renal fellows, and practicing nephrologists overall.
Mm-hmm. And what are the advantages of a fully open access journal?
I think this is the way to go. So science should be free for everybody, from people who can pay for it and also for people who cannot pay for it. So CKJ is open access, everybody can access its tools, its papers, its educational value, can access the recent advances and the interpretation of where these recent advances will lead us in nephrology.
Mm-hmm. And CKJ has been quite successful. It will get even an impact factor later this month. So what is your recipe for this success? And how do you secure this high quality?
I think we have had the support of the IDTA. So many authors from the IDTA and associated societies have provided very high quality papers, original papers, review papers, and on top of that, we have a great editorial board that has aimed not only at selecting the best papers, but at providing constructive criticism to improve the papers that will be published and have been published in CKJ.
Mm-hmm. And usually open access journals charge authors for the publication. How about CKJ?
Okay, so up to now, IDTA has been supporting CKJ from the funding point of view. So we were not making any money from publishing the journal, and it had costs. This month, we will have an impact factor, and starting January 2020, unfortunately, we'll have to start charging some fees to cover the costs of publishing and editing the journal.
Okay, but you still have the option to publish for free in 2019.
Yes, so please go ahead and submit in 2019.
Okay, so the most read paper was an update on pain management in CKD patients. What highlights can be expected this year?
So this year we have a number of highlights that as we follow the changing paradigms in nephrology. For example, we have results and comments on recent diabetic kidney disease trials. Mm-hmm. We have papers on machine learning for hypertension. We have results from clinical trials on HIF activators for anemia. And we have, following the lead of Milan 2020 Green Nephrology, we have a first-in-class paper about the impact of pollution on chronic kidney disease and renal function.
Okay, that makes an interesting reading. Thank you very much.
Thank you.